morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. So in the previous video we have just started the lesson number 2, that was arithmetic progression. Okay students, in that what we have done, we have just seen the addition, subtraction, division and multiplication in the previous video, and I have given you in homework question 3, 4, 5 and 6. So first of all let us solve that and you just verify your answer. Okay students, so question 3, that is 3a, that is addition 4, 6, 5, 3, 8, 7, 9, 2, 6, 7, 1, 2, 8, 3, 0. So we have to add this. So how we will add this students? So we will add 8 plus 7, 15, 4 here, 3 plus 1, 4, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 13, 5 plus 1, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 7, 13. So this is our answer A. Now going to B, that is 6, 5, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 6, 7, 5, 8, 4, 5. So we have to add this. So for addition what we will do, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 5, 16. Here 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. Here 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. Here 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. Plus 1, 14. 6 plus 6, 12. So this is our answer. Now going to the next one, that is C. Nine, 6, 8, 2, 5, 6, 3, 5, 1, 5, 5, 1, 8, 2, 1, 0, 3, 9. So we have to add this. So how we will add this? 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5, that is 13, 13 plus 9, 13 plus 9, that is 22, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 6 plus 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 2, that is 18. So this is our additions answer. Please note down this students. Next, question 4, I am writing here only, so you can just copy it if you have remaining. Here question 4, that is subtraction, question 4a, 720800 minus 37 6 2 8 9. Okay students, so how we will do minus? Here is 0, so 0 minus 9 we can do it. Here is also 0. So now borrowing from 8 we will take 1. So here becomes 10, but we will write here 9 and here 10. 10 minus 9, that is 1. 9 minus 8, that is 1. 7 minus 2, that is 5. 0 minus 6, it will not happen. So here taking borrowing 1 and here becomes 10. Then 10 minus 6, that is 4. Here 1 minus 7 can't happen. So borrowing from here will be 6 and here will be 11. 11 minus 7, that is 4, and 6 minus 3, that is 3. So this is your first one. Now doing second one. B, that is 500 913 minus 2 7 6 4 8 1. So in this what will be there? Here 3 minus 1, that is 2. So here 1 minus 8 will not happen. So borrowing from here, that is 9 becomes 8 and here becomes 11. 11 minus 8, that is 3. 8 minus 4, that is 4. 0 minus 6 not happen. 0 minus 7 not happen. So from borrowing 5, then here will be 4, here will be 9, here will be 10. So 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 7, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. So this is your second, and the last one, C, that is 8 6 700 5 3 minus 3 8 8 8 9 8 9. So how it can be solved? Here 3 minus 9 cannot happen. So we are borrowing from here 1. So here becomes 4. Here becomes 13. 13 minus 9, that is 4. 4 minus 8 not happen. Here 0 is there. Here also 0 is there. Then here we will take 6. Here will be 9. Here will be 9. Here will be 14. So 14 minus 8, that is 6. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 6 minus 8 will not happen. So here will be 5 and here will be 16. 8 to the 16. So 8, 5 minus 8 will not happen. Then borrowing from here, there will be 7. Here will be 15. 15 minus 8, that is 7. 7 minus 3, that is 4. So this is your subtractions answer. Please verify your answer. Now going towards multiplication. Going towards multiplication, that is question number 5. Question number 5a, 48 into 10. So what will be the answer, students? 48 into 10. If we count this, then how it can be count? 48 into 10. So 0, first of all, 8 ones are 8, 4 ones are 4. Here there is 0, so no need to calculate. So the answer is 480. Okay students, now going to the B, that is 6493 sorry, 6495 is there. 6495 into 30. So, how we will multiply this? First of all, what we will do? 6495 into 30. Then here will be 0. 5 3s are 15. 9 3s are 27 plus 1 28. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19. So our answer is 194,850. Okay students. Now going towards C. That is 265 into 100. 265 into 100. So how we will solve this? So for doing that, 265 into 100. So here there are 2 zeros, so we will put 2 0, 5 ones are 5, 6 ones are 6, 2 ones are 2. So this is your answer, 26500. Okay, and the last one, that is D. That is 4723 into 70. So how we will calculate this, students? So 4723 into 70. Here is 1 0, then 0. 7 3s are 21. 7 2s are 14 plus 2 16. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 1 50. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 5 28. 29 30 31 32 33. So this is the answer. Okay students, this is the answers of the multiplications. And now going to the question number 6, that is division. Question number 6. A, that is 7048 divided by 4. So how we will divide this? Let us do this. So 47048. First of all, 4 ones are 4. How many remaining? 3. Here comes 0. 4. Now speaking the table of 4. What will be there? 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. 2 remaining. Here comes 4. So 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. Here 0 0 and comes 8, that is 4 2s are 8. This is our answer, that is 1742 is our answer. And going towards next, that is B, that is 49680 divided by 30. So what will be the answer? See here, if here there is 30, means here there is 0 and here there is 0. So in division you can just cut this 0. Now you have to just divide 4968 divided by 3. So 3 496 80. 3 ones are 3. Here remains 1, 19. 3 6 are 18. Remains 1. Here 16. 3 5 are 15. Remains 1. Here 8. 3 6 are 18. Okay, students. So this is our answer. That is 1656. Okay, students. 1656. Now going towards next. Going towards next, that is C. So what is the question of C? I am reading that C 69714 divided by 100. What will be the answer? So in this kind of the sum, you have just what you have to do. If there is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So in just what we have to do, if there is here 20, then before two numbers 1, 2, you just have to make the point. So our answer is 697.14. Okay, students, let us see that type of another exam that is in your textbook only, that is D 593062 divided by 1000. So what will be the answer, students? Here there are how many zeros? There are 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, and here will be point, that is answer is equal to 593.062. This is our answer. Please note down the answers, these students. Now going to the next topic, students. So our next topic is multiplications of large numbers. So how we will do this? Multiplication of large number. Large number. So here there is an example. Let us see that example, that is example number 1, that is 5786 into 359. So here what we will do, just we will just multiply first of all, we will multiply this whole term with 3. Okay, students, we will just multiply this whole term with 3. So how we will do this? Wait, students, first of all we will multiply this term with the unit place. In both way you can do with unit place, that is 9. So 5, 7, 8, 6 into 3, 5, 9. So how we will do? First of all, we have to multiply with 9. So how we will multiply? 6 nines are 54. 8 nines are 72. 72 plus 5, 77. Okay students, 7 nines are, that is 63. 63 plus 7, that is 70. Okay students, and 9 5s are, that is 45. 45 plus 7, 45. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52. 52. This is the multiplication with 9. And now going to the multiplication of 5. Now going with 5. So I am just rubbing this and again multiplying with, now we have to multiply with 50. Okay students, so first of all we have to put here 0 because we are multiplying in tens place. 6 5s are 30. 8 5s are 40 plus 3, that is 43. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 4, that is 39. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3, that is 28. Okay students. And what is our next step? Now we have to multiply this with 3. Okay students, so I am rubbing this and multiplying with 3. You can also do the upper side, but I am not doing that. So here we are multiplying with hundreds place, so we have to put 2 zeros because after there are 2 numbers, so we have to put 2 zeros. 6 3s are 18. 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25. 7 3s are 21. 21 22 23. 5 3s are 15, 16 and 17. So you just have to do the total now. So what will be the answer? That is 4. Here 0 4 7 8 plus 3, that is 11. 9 plus 1, that is 10. 10 plus 2, that is 12 plus 5, that is 17. So here comes 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 14. 14 plus 3, that is 17. Here 2 plus 1, 3 plus 7, that is 10. Then here will be 2. So this is our answer. Please note down this, students. See here, there is another example. Let us do it. So the another example, that is example number 2 of this is 4093 into 381. So how we will multiply this first of all? So 4093 into 381. So how we will multiply this, students? So first of all, what we have to put here? We will have to start with our unit place. Okay students, unit place. So 3 ones are 3, 9 ones are 9, 0 0, 4 ones are 4. Then here now we are taking the tens place. So what we have to put here? 0. Okay students, 8 3s are 24. 8 nines are, that is 72. 72 plus 2, 74. Here if you multiply 8, then it will be 0 only. So we have to what put? There is 7. 4 eights are. What is 4 eights are? 32. We will write 32. And lastly we will multiply with hundreds place, so we have to put 2 zeros over here. So 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27. I am rubbing this first of all. See here, 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 20, 9 threes are 27. And 3 0 0 and plus 2, that is 2 only, 4 threes are 12. So we have to take the total of this. So what will be the total? That is 3, 9 plus 4, that is 13. Here 1, here 10 plus 4, that is 14. Here 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 5, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So here will be 9 and here will be 1. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 3 plus 2, 5 and here 1. So this is our answer, students. Please note down this, students. Now it's time for your homework, students. Please note down your homework. I hope you have just seen how to multiply the multiplication of the large numbers. You can do it easily because you have just seen in the previous class how to multiply this. Okay, students. So your today's homework is you have to do exercise 2.2. These all are the multiplication sums, and in next video we will just solve this, that you are right or wrong. Okay, students, you just have to verify in the next video. Up till then, stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye, students.